Looking for the ultimate tactical survival knife to handle the wild, the unexpected, and everything in between? You're in the right place. Today, we're counting down the top 5 best tactical survival knives built for power, precision, and reliability. Whether you're camping, prepping, or facing real survival challenges, these blades won't let you down. Stay tuned. Number 1. Spyderco Tenacious Folding Pocket Knife. If you're searching for a pocket knife that blends durability, precision, and everyday practicality, the Spyderco Tenacious is one blade you'll want to stick around for. This knife is engineered for endurance, starting with its full flat ground 8cr13 MoV stainless steel blade, designed to deliver impressive edge retention and toughness whether you're handling daily chores or tactical tasks. The handle features peel-ply textured G10 scales, giving you a secure, slip-free grip even in challenging conditions. Inside, skeletonized stainless steel liners boost strength without adding unnecessary weight, keeping the knife reliable yet comfortable to carry. One of the highlights is its versatile blade options. You can choose a plain edge for clean slicing or a combination edge for mixed cutting needs. Add the satin or black oxide finish and you get durability and style in one package. With its smooth one-handed opening and dependable liner lock mechanism, the Tenacious keeps things safe, simple, and efficient. Plus, the 4-position pocket clip lets you customize your carry exactly the way you like. Pros: durable 8cr13 MoV steel with great edge retention. Strong, ergonomic G10 textured grip. Multiple blade styles and finishes. Con: not a premium steel option. Stick around, our next product might surprise you even more. Number 2. Leatherman 19-in-1 Multi-Tool for Outdoor. If you love the outdoors, then the Leatherman 19-in-1 Multi-Tool is one of those gadgets you'll want by your side on every adventure. For over 40 years, Leatherman has built a reputation for empowering everyday explorers, and this tool continues that legacy, proudly made in the USA. Built in Portland, Oregon, and backed by an incredible 25-year warranty, this multi-tool is engineered to survive anything the wild throws your way. Whether you're camping, hiking, or fishing, the Leatherman Signal is designed to keep you prepared for both the expected and the unexpected. What makes it truly special is how it becomes your adventure buddy. It includes a built-in fire starter, a hammer for tent stakes, pliers for crimping fish hooks, and even a safety whistle for emergencies. Despite packing 19 essential tools, including pliers, wire cutters, knife, saw, can opener, and more, it stays compact at only 4.5 inches and 7.5 ounces, making it incredibly easy to carry. Pros: 19 tools in a compact, lightweight design. Includes fire starter, whistle, and outdoor focus features. Backed by a long-lasting 25-year warranty. Con: some tools may require practice to deploy quickly. Don't go anywhere, our next product is even more exciting. Number 3. Morakniv Garberg Fixed Blade Knife. If you're serious about bushcraft, survival, or outdoor preparedness, then the Morakniv Garberg Fixed Blade Knife is a tool you'll want to pay close attention to. This is Morakniv's most robust and rugged model, a knife built to handle real wilderness challenges. The Garberg features a hardened Sandvik 12C27 stainless steel blade, offering excellent strength and corrosion resistance. The blade is 0.13 inches thick with a classic Scandi grind, giving you superior control and effortless wood carving performance. Even better, the 90-degree spine is perfectly compatible with the included fire starter, making it ideal for survival situations. But Morakniv didn't stop there. This knife takes versatility to the next level with a built-in fire starter, diamond sharpener, and reflective paracord, ensuring you're ready to build a fire and keep your blade sharp anytime, anywhere. At 4.3 inches of blade length and a total weight of 13.8 ounces with the sheath, it strikes a great balance between strength and portability. Pros: extremely durable Sandvik steel with Scandi grind. Includes fire starter and diamond sharpener. Excellent for bushcraft and survival tasks. Con: heavier than some minimalist outdoor knives. Stay tuned, our next product might be exactly what your outdoor kit is missing. Number 4. Victorinox Swiss Ranger Pocket Knife. When it comes to reliability outdoors, few names stand as tall as Victorinox, and the Swiss Ranger Pocket Knife is a perfect example of why their tools have become legendary. Designed for camping, hiking, and all kinds of outdoor adventures, this compact multi-tool packs an impressive amount of functionality into a sturdy, pocket-friendly design. Despite its small size, the Swiss Ranger delivers big performance. You get essential everyday tools like scissors, tweezers, a toothpick, a nail file, and a fine screwdriver, all crafted with Victorinox's signature precision. For outdoor tasks, the knife also includes a wood saw, a multi-purpose hook, and durable metal file, making it ideal for cutting branches, fixing gear, and handling campsite chores with ease. The integrated key ring adds even more convenience, letting you attach it to your keys, backpack, or gear loop so you're always prepared when the unexpected hits. Compact, sturdy, and incredibly versatile, this is a true all-in-one pocket companion for any adventurer. Pros: compact yet loaded with essential tools. High-quality build ideal for camping and hiking. Includes wood saw, scissors, hook, files, and more. Con: does not include locking tools for heavy-duty tasks. Stick around, our final product will complete your ultimate outdoor toolkit. Number 5. Holtzman's Gorilla Survival Fixed Blade Knife. If you want a survival knife that feels absolutely unstoppable in your hand, then the Holtzman's Gorilla Survival Fixed Blade Knife is one you'll want to take a closer look at. This beast is built with full tang construction, meaning the solid 1095 high-carbon steel blade runs straight through the handle as one piece, making it virtually unbreakable and perfect for the harshest bushcraft or survival tasks. The blade itself is engineered for real-world use. It stays razor-sharp, bites into wood cleanly, and is easy to sharpen in the field, giving you the ideal balance of hardness and durability. Whether you're carving, chopping, or preparing camp, this blade is ready. The G10 handle is another major win. Its textured, ergonomic design provides a secure, slip-free grip even in wet conditions, while keeping your hand comfortable during heavy or prolonged use. To top it off, the knife comes with a custom-fit Kydex sheath that locks in with a satisfying click and includes a belt clip for easy everyday carry. Packaged in an attractive gift box, it's also a fantastic gift for any outdoor lover. Pros: unbreakable full-tang 1095 steel construction. Razor-sharp and easy to maintain. Secure, ergonomic G10 handle. Con: carbon steel requires care to prevent rust. And now that you've seen all 5 products, let's wrap it up with the final verdict, so don't go anywhere.